Has it ever crossed your mind how much plastic waste we generate each day? How it affects our environment, our wildlife, our very existence? Enter NVIO, the new era of plastic. Not your everyday plastic, though. This is the kind that cares about our planet. This is a product of extensive research and rigorous lab testing. It meets the ASTM D551118 standard, a testament to its biodegradability in landfill conditions. But what makes NVIO cards truly unique? Every inch of it, from the core to the laminate, even the magnetic stripe, all of it biodegrades. Picture this: plastic that doesn't linger for centuries but breaks down at an accelerated rate, returning to the earth from whence it came. Imagine a restaurant menu that doesn't contribute to the mountains of plastic waste, but instead breaks down over time. NVIO makes this possible with durable, biodegradable menus designed especially for restaurants. The secret to its success lies in its innovative biofilm coating. Organic additives attract microorganisms that feast on the plastic, accelerating its biodegradation. Our product offers a greener alternative for your business without compromising on durability or finish. It's the same sturdy plastic you're used to, but with an eco-friendly twist. The brains behind NVIO are none other than the pioneers at SSI Cards. They brought us the barcodes in the 70s, created the first gift card, and now they're leading the green revolution with NVIO. The time has come to make a change. Embrace NVIO for your business and join the journey towards a sustainable, eco-friendly future. Make the choice that benefits both your business and our planet. Choose NVIO today.